So here's a problem for your mechanical work and power lab. So right on the back, it's number 10, and it deals with both work and power, which is kind of appropriate. So it asks, hey, if you've got this 10-kilogram box and you're moving it up a flight of stairs that's 30 meters tall, how much work are you doing? That's the first part. So give yourself a diagram. That's often helpful. You got this flight of stairs like this. You've got a box that's 10 kilograms. You want to go up. That's 30 meters. Fantastic. Well, if you're looking for work, all you need is work equals force times distance. Perfect. Well, we don't know what the work is. We do know what the distance is. It's 30 meters, but we don't know what the force is. That would be really useful to know. Well, if only we had a formula for force. But we do. Force equals mass times acceleration. Do we have the mass of the box? Sure, it's 10 kilograms. Does it tell us the acceleration? No, but the mass is just sitting there. The acceleration due to gravity is what we need. It's always 9.81 meters per second squared. So we can figure that out easily. Just move the decimal point because we're multiplying by 10. 98.1 newtons is the force. Great. Well, we found that. Let's just slap it in back up here for the force and multiply everything together. 98.1 times 30, that's 2,943. Work equals 2,943 joules, capital J. Well, that answers the first part of our question. But the second part says, hey, if it takes you 2 minutes to do all this work, how much power are you developing? Well, that requires you to know that power equals work divided by time, like that. Well, if you know how much work you've done, power equals 2,943 joules, and it takes you 2 minutes to do it, all we've got to do is put the 2 in down here. But wait, that's in minutes. We need it in seconds. 2 minutes is 120 seconds. So power equals, whatever that happens to be, 2,943 divided by 120 is 24.5. Power is measured in watts, capital W. There you go. You've solved your problem. 2,943 joules of work, 224.5 watts of power.